Brand new technology from the friends at Karcher. This is the #1 brand of pressure washer in the world. They clean the Space Needle. They clean the Statue of Liberty, amongst a bunch of other monuments. They're the go-to guys when it comes to pressure washing, and we are doing 1800 PSI. To give you an idea of the power of that, your garden hose, 60 PSI. So think about that. 1800 versus 60. Everything that you need in a pressure washer. Craig Rappahana is going to join me in just a minute, but I want to go through the details of what makes this so special. First of all, we have patented technology from our friends at Karcher. They are known for better performance, better cleaning efficiency. You're going to wind up cleaning more, faster, and more efficiently than you've ever cleaned before. I love the fact that it's easy to port around. It's on wheels. It's not super duper heavy. You're going to get an incredible variety of different built-in features. There's a soap tank that's integrated inside, so you don't have to attach the soap tank to the handle. It's already integrated to the back of the machine. You have the spray lance, which makes life so easier. It's a squeeze versus a trigger or anything like that. It makes it very easy to use. All you do with your attachments is you pop them in on the end and twist. You're going to get two different. You're going to get that Vario spray wand, and you're also going to get the other one. You get two wands to go along with it to lock into place. You're going to get 58 inches or 58 feet of reach, because you have 26 feet on the hose, and you have another 32 feet on the actual extension cord. All you do is plug it in and hook up your garden hose, and you are washing the car, washing the boat, washing the RV, washing the wall, like we just did, your windows, second story, third story, whatever it is you need to clean, do it right with our friends at Karcher. Here's our spokesperson extraordinaire, my buddy, Craig Rappahana. Hey, bud.
G'day, mate. Good to see you, and thanks for having me again.
I love it.
You know, and that's the great thing about Karcher, is that all you want to do is get a pressure washer home that has all the bells and whistles. All you want to do is plug it into the hose, turn it on, point to where you want to clean, because Karcher is German engineered, German made, and they've done all the thinking for you. All you want to do is point to where you want to clean, and that's what you're going to do. That's what you want in a pressure washer. You want something that you can just plug in, like I just said, turn it on, and get the results, because you can clean all through your pavers, clean all those stones, driveways, anything, landscaping blocks. And I'm going to show you how you can use the other wand as well, because you're getting two wands with this. Now, I want to show that there, because there's the difference here and there. Now, what about wood? What about patios? Well, I'm going to swing over here, and I'm going to go straight into cleaning that decking board, that patio area, anywhere you've got wood. Guess what? You can just basically point, once again, to where you want to clean. And you know, it's really simple and really easy. Now, if you've never used a pressure washer before, I got to tell you, this is the one you want to use, because it has an adjustable wand right here. Take a look at this. As I adjust this, the settings go down. So I can turn the nozzle at the end and fully adjust it to soap, a little bit more pressure. And as you can see, I can really put soap into it, and keep in mind, it can clean with just water. You don't need to use the soap, but I like to have the soap in there, and you can see the difference there. So if your decking boards look like this, well, guess what? It can look like this. Really simple and really easy, guy. That's the great thing about it, is you just point to where you want to clean, and you're done.
Well, you know what I like about it, first of all, is it's very addictive, okay? I got my first pressure washer from HSN many, many years ago. I have two pressure washers now, all right? I have my pressure washer. Danny took my Karcher. I bought him a 1600 PSI Karcher probably about a year ago, because he has a car wash business. He loves it. He's like, Dad, I want the #1 brand. So I spent a little bit more, which you do with Karcher, but Karcher is worth it. They're the #1 brand out there. Comes with a 2-year warranty. Easy to use, easy to operate, easy to port around. You can move this thing anywhere on its wheels. It has an extending handle, which will collapse down so you can store it easily. But honestly, once you start using it, and I'm talking about on your driveway, I'm talking about maybe in your garage, right? Maybe you got oil stains or stains from your car in your garage. Maybe it's just the side of your house. Maybe your house got dirty. What about mold, mildew, moss, weeds that are getting in the cracks and crevices? It's so easy to switch out the tools with this. And when you start using it, you're going to feel that power. As I said before, a garden hose is 60 PSI. If you hold your finger over it, maybe you double it to 120 or maybe 150. Imagine going 13, 14, 15 times more powerful than that. And with the brand new pressure gauge, you can actually see right on the handle, excuse me, my voice is starting to go. Yeah, I get to the third hour, that's what happens. But anyway, see this gauge right here? As you squeeze the trigger, okay, the gauge feels the pressure. The more you pull the gauge, the more pressure you're gonna get, and it reads up top exactly what it's for. So you're going full pressure when you're doing stone surfaces, concrete, asphalt, or metal surfaces, right? I use that when I'm doing the rims on my tire, because they're metal. Now, if you're doing, brick surfaces, softer surfaces, plastered walls, you want to give up a little bit on that grip, and you're going number 2 at medium. If you're doing wood surfaces, right? You're doing your bike, you're doing sandstone, you're doing furniture, you squeeze it down to 1, and then if you just want to wash things off, then you just go down to the mix setting. It's never been easier. There's even an app that's available online for free that'll actually give you information on how and what to use different pressures for, so it's absolutely brilliant. Now, I know more than anybody out there that the number 1 reason you're gonna use this is to wash your car, or your boat, or your RV. So I'm gonna hand it off to my buddy, Craig. He's out at the vehicle. He's gonna show you all kinds of different ways. Actually, he's gonna do some other things first, and then we'll finish up with the car. Go ahead, buddy.
Yeah, mate, so what I'm gonna show you is you've got the other wand as well, which is that Dirt Blaster, okay? Take a look at the end here. It's a spiral system. That's a patented technology, right? Now watch as I take that spiral system and I go over to those hard landscaping blocks. Well, guess what? That's what you want, because you're not gonna get that with the Vario wand. You wanna be able to put this second wand on and have this as a backup, because it's gonna get into all those grooves, get into all those little cracks and noogies that are right there around your garden blocks. And then you can see the difference now. I've got the wand here. I'm gonna change it. I'm just doing a 1/4 inch turn, and now I'll put this down here. I can switch back to the adjustable wand that we talked about, which was your first one, which was fully adjustable. Then I can start going in and cleaning all the fencing. So think about the fencing. Think about everything around the home that's landscaping, and you can clearly see that all you need to do is point to where you want to clean, and you can see it's really effortless. That's the beautiful thing about having German engineering, German technology, and being built in Germany. You're getting the ultimate cleaning machine, as I would say, because that's what you want. Now, I'm going to leave that fence halfway through because I want to come back and show you how to do it. But what about outside? What about the patio chairs, patio furniture? You don't even know that there's dirt in there until you give it a bit of a wash, and you can see that you can remove all that dirt and all that stains really simple and really easy. And that's what you want. You want to be able to clean this, so if you have the girls come over on the weekend, they're not going to sit in there and get dirty with their nice beautiful white pants. And then you can go straight into cleaning literally anything. There's nothing you cannot clean with a Karcher pressure washer, because you're getting 1800 PSI of pressure. And that's the beauty about it. You can literally clean anything. It's simple, it's easy. And I'm using the same wand. Now, when it comes to the wands, well, I've got it here. Take a look here, because this is a little cheat sheet. We've got this on the wand for you, so you can see that you can have it as the soap, soft, medium, and hard. And that's by just adjusting this corner here. So as I turn this on, you can see I've got on the low setting. It's going to start to bring out the soap. That's the beauty about it, because if you've never used a pressure wash before, like I said, this is the one you want. But you can go straight in, and then you go straight into these landscaping blocks. Look at this. I'm going to get straight into it. These are really hard, difficult ones. You can see all that dirt and grime. Nothing stands a chance. That's why it's so simple and so easy, and that's why Karcher is not just a product. They're actually a brand, and that makes sense, right, when you're having this at home, because you can clean anything around here with ease.
And when you think about it, national monuments, okay? We talk about the Space Needle, all right? We talk about the Statue of Liberty. These are the guys that are contracted and have been to clean those national monuments. You don't give that out to anybody. Will you pay a little bit more for Karcher? Yeah. I did, and it was worth it, okay? It comes with a warranty. It's gonna last you years and years and years, but you're buying a brand. You're buying the name that people trust. And that goes on, it's the stuff you can't see. On the inside, how well it's made, all the extra features that go along with a Karcher. Today, you can see we have it on FlexPay. You get it home for $27.99. If you get a brand new HSN credit card, you get it home for $129, because we'll give you $10 off your first purchase. Everything is on 5 Flex, free shipping and handling. You're gonna love it, okay? If you don't buy it for you, buy it for dad, right? Buy it for mom. Think about what you pay for a car wash, right? I pay $15 for every time I get my car washed. That's once a week. All right, that's $60 a month. Think about it, in a couple months you're gonna pay for this, and you'll get a better wash because you're doing it yourself. You can take your time, it's easy, you're not gonna break a sweat. It comes with that app, so if you wanna learn about how to maximize the use of your pressure washer, there's an app. There's the little gauge that tells you. See how it goes up or down? And then you can adjust it to whatever speed that you want. And it has, I told you it has the integrated soap tank. I'm gonna turn it around. There's the soap tank right there. So and by the way, it's removable, but I love that it lives on board because half the time I'm gonna wanna use soap. So I don't have to mess with that. That's how you attach your hose to it, right? Your line, and then your garden hose, that's your garden hose goes, and then your lines attach right in the front right here, and then just turn it on or off. And remember, when you squeeze the trigger, that's what activates it. So it's economical as well. You don't have it running all the time. It only turns on when you squeeze the trigger. I mean, the whole thing is absolutely brilliant. When you think of it top to bottom, we give you all the accessories, and you have the endless possibilities with those accessories, and this shows you exactly inside how to use them. So you're getting everything that you need in one package, $139.95. I'm gonna send it back to Craig. I think he's gonna, look what he's doing now. Check this out. Go ahead, Craig.
Mate, I started cleaning the fence because it is absolutely grimy and dirty, because you've got enough power to get through all the dirt and grime, whether you're cleaning the pavers, the stone, anything you want on, but it's also strong enough to go through all that dirt and grime that you usually see on some of these hard fences, and there's a little snapshot for you there. Look at that. There's the difference. That's what you're getting with Karcher, right? Okay, that is completely bringing it back to natural life. Who doesn't want that? Now, I think we got a little bit more time, Guy. I'm gonna go through and finish this, and then I think I might have enough time to close out by switching over to the car, because that's the thing you get with Karcher. You get 1800 PSI of Karcher power. I'm gonna come back and finish that. I'm gonna adjust this down, and then I'm just gonna get straight into putting soap over the car. That's the beautiful thing about having the right tool. You have the right tool, it's so much easier. You don't have to go and hire one. You don't have to get a contractor like me to come out and do it. That's what you want. You want to be able to just not get your hands dirty, give it a little bit of a blast on the weekend, carry on with your day, and not let cleaning consume you, because you have the right tool for the right job. And you can clearly see the difference. Really simple and really easy, Guy, because you can do literally anything around the home just by having this in your hand. You get the 2 wands, completely adjustable. You control it. That's the beautiful thing about it, mate.
You want to get it, as we said, it's on FlexPay, it's free shipping and handling, the #1 brand. It's going to make a huge difference. Remember, you've always got 30 days to send anything back here at HSN, but we also have something called Protection Plus, which is a little above and beyond what the normal warranties on any of the products would be. If that makes you more comfortable, it's available for you. We are going to step away for a minute. When we come back, should I give them a sneak peek? If you like that, the gazing ball,